In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll error in just a few simple steps. Make sure to follow everything carefully. First of all, open any browser on your PC and paste the link I provided. You will find this link in the video description. After opening the website, scroll down and you will see two download buttons. Download both files just like I'm doing here. Once both files are downloaded, extract the first file. After extracting it, open the folder and click on Install All. Now it will start installing all the Visual C++ packages one by one automatically. You just need to keep clicking OK when prompted. I'm not doing it here because I have already installed all of them on my system. After the installation is complete, extract the second file. Now open this PC, go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder. After that, open the System32 folder and paste both DLL files there. Once done, go back and open the SysWOW64 folder. Paste the same two DLL files there as well. That's it. Your error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more gaming error fixes. And if you still face any issue, check the complete guide on my website. Thanks for watching.